Travel packing checklist. Never be caught unprepared during a trip. Plan ahead and stuff your bag with essentials, things you need. The better prepared you are, the more fun you will have on the trip. Here's a checklist of what should be inside your traveler's luggage. But before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future fascinating videos. Medicine kit. Never assume that no mishaps will happen on a trip. Even minor bruises should be taken care of. Always keep your first aid kit handy. Treating wounds. Bring along a roll of bandage, safety pins and scissors. Tweezers might be needed to pull out foreign materials that penetrate the skin. Bring ointments and alcohols for treating abrasions. If you are prone to allergies and itching, antihistamine medications like Benadryl should be handy. Common medicine. Carry along medicines that you are likely to use, like aspirin for headaches, laxative for proper bowel movement and pain relievers. If you have a runny nose, buy a couple of decongestant. Dehydration and motion sickness is common when traveling. Consult your doctor on which medicine is appropriate for you. Prescription drugs. Remember to bring along whatever medication you are taking. Bring enough supply to last for the entire trip. Personal hygiene kit. This kit must include all your toiletries. This will keep you looking fresh all the time. Dental. Bring along your toothbrush, toothpaste and dental floss. Buy a small bottled mouthwash, or if you have plenty of supply left, just transfer it to a smaller container. Hair. Carry along your favorite brush, comb and shampoo. Stuff in your hairspray, hair cream and gels if you are using one. Personal effects. This will include your makeup kit. Remember to bring only the cosmetics that you are likely to use. Carry with you a handy mirror. You can bring your manicure set too. Skin protection. Keep your skin healthy by putting on sunscreen and lip balm as often as you need them. Bathroom needs. Bring along with you sets of toilet papers, soaps, towels and washcloth. Emergency kit. This includes the stuff you might need like flashlights, lighters, pocket knife and duct tapes. Mobile phones are important in case of emergency. Be sure to bring your charger and an extra battery. Also make sure to carry copies of important documents like passport, license, birth certificates. In case one of them get lost or stolen, you will still be able to identify yourself to get replacements. Leisure kit. For added fun, you can bring along your travel journal, reading materials and the locale's language book. Make the most out of fantastic views with your binoculars and your camera. There is no such thing as a standard traveler's kit. It varies upon the place and the activities you'll do in a certain place. The above kits are basically the essentials. Be sure to keep everything checked and have a fun trip ahead. That's it from our side. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this.